Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to install Twitter on the OnePlus Nord N100. So all we have to do is open the app drawer, find Play Store. Here we do want to be basically signed into a Google account so we can see the letter there. And here we would search for Twitter. So let's go ahead and click on the search, TW, and Twitter's there. We can now install it, and you can see that it's verifying pending. It'll show the progress of the download, 69%, 79, 83, and then it'll install. It'll take a few seconds as the phone is not very fast, but if we open the folder, we should see Twitter coming very soon to the screen here. So let's give it a few seconds. There we have Twitter. So basically now Twitter's there, and it's also on our home screen and has a little blue dot because there's a new app that we downloaded. So that's how we download Twitter on the OnePlus Nord N100. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.